Well, Mike and Kelly, authorities found both bodies within just a couple miles of each other. A 63-year-old woman from Afton and a 41-year-old man from Hillsborough. Tonight, disbelief from those who knew them and questions over how this could happen.
Tuesday's flash flooding following record rainfall all across our area. Water rushing into creeks, flooding homes.
I did not expect to wake up and that'd be my last day in this house for God knows how long, if at all.
And leaving roads underwater. When the floodwaters started to recede, a witness tells us he saw Nancy Parasoto's car in the creek and called police. That's when authorities found her body. We've learned there were temporary barriers up here at Bayless Avenue and I-55, but no guardrail around the bridge, blocking people from driving into water.
They should have had more concrete barriers around there, especially since they already had taken part of the bridge down.
Just a few hours later, authorities would find Kenneth Ludwig dead, also in the Gravois Creek. This photo from a GoFundMe of Ludwig and his wife as friends fundraised to support his widow and their 4 children. This loss has devastated their family, the organizers said. On social media, heartfelt condolences from those who knew them. He was a good friend of mine at school. I just saw him at Schnucks. He will be missed. Another person writing, I worked with Nancy and she was a good friend. Sweetest lady you'd ever meet. She always watched my dogs when we were out of town. She loved animals so much. I'm so sorry this happened to you.
Raises concerns because we don't know what's going on there. People are now dead there. It's crazy.
County officials tell us contractors removed half of the Bayless Avenue bridge before the flood. But people want to know why there were no barriers near that creek. We're going to keep asking questions. Stay with 5 on your side as we work to get you answers.